Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaahleri Designs and Hobbies. For this video we're going to be doing a shop card shout out, and we're also going to be unboxing the Master model SB88 airbrush. I'm happy and blessed that you were able to join me for this video. Thank you. So first off, right out of the gate, we've got this nice shop card. First shop card actually I've ever received. It's from Tim over at Box Stock Garage. Really nice card. Thank you, Tim. Thank you for your words on the back. Also, thank you for your email correspondence with me. Just wanted to let you know that since then I have updated my email address on my YouTube channel, and it should be fine moving forward. I appreciate the fact that you reached out to me and that you sent me this nice shop card. As soon as I'm able to build a dedicated shop, I will put a wall up and I will get all of these put up. This will begin my collection, and it'll be saved in a safe place where I can keep it and make sure it goes up and has a good prominent spot in my camera view moving forward. I do appreciate the fact that you reach out and gave me advice on how to get my own shop cards made. You so far have been the only person that reached out, and your advice has been valuable. So thank you. I appreciate that. So actually, I'm right in the middle of a box stock build myself, and in addition to the 2025 USAC build. So that box stock build will be coming up shortly. That's going to be that Mustang that we just unboxed. I was pretty excited to get that going. So we'll move right along. We'll move into the airbrush here. I mentioned it a little ways back, but I was going to do sort of like an unboxing on it. Right out of the gate, you can see that it's fairly nicely packaged. I bought this. It had mixed reviews. I haven't used it yet. I haven't opened it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over the things that are in the package and see what we can do with it. I'm going to start using it probably this evening. I'm probably going to paint that car body for the box stock build that I'm working on for the Mustang. Right out of the gate, it comes with a little wrench here. And so we got comes with a 3mm or 0.3, 0.3, a 0.5, and a 0.8. That's the reason I bought it. I wanted the 0.8. You've got your, it's not going to focus. This is the 0.3. You can see the tip is in there and the nozzle, or I guess the cap, as some people call it. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not. And then they're pretty well protected. I'm pretty pleased with this. And there's your 0.3 needle. And there's a couple things in the paint cup. There's your 0.8 needle. So the 0.5 is in it, I believe. It's got a pretty good size cup to it. Okay, so there's your cup. Pretty deep well. It's a side feed. I'm not educated or knowledgeable on airbrushes yet, so I don't actually really know what I bought. I read the reviews, and it had some decent reviews, so I decided to give this a shot. Got some sort of a thing here. Actually, I'll get the airbrush itself out. I don't know what this does yet, but here's the airbrush itself. I don't know what this does just yet, so if anybody knows what this is, you can leave me a comment. That'd be helpful. I'll also get into the instructions. And then there's the cap. I think that kind of fastens like the hose on, the air hose. There's like an adjustment valve here, but I haven't figured out how to turn it. And this has kind of got like a hex head on it, so I'm sure that works hand in hand with the, yeah, so that's the wrench. That's how you change out the needles. I'm not going to break this down because, like I said, I'm not overly knowledgeable about airbrushes, so I will I'll take it apart and I'll get the 0.8 in there. The 0.8 is the one I want in there, so I can spray some metallics and stuff and have them work out a little better. But I've looked through this, and I mean, it's got a good opening. I don't know if you can see the light or not, but there is light comes through. It's the Master Airbrush. Like I said, I give it a go. This is what I'm going to use for body colors and clear coats. And then the other one that I have in use, it's got the 0.3, I'm going to use for like doing engines and interior undercarriage, painting wheels if I want to, moving forward. So it comes with this little, I guess, it says how-to airbrush guides, step-by-step videos and tips, and it's got a website down here where you can go to. So probably what I'll end up doing is going to that website and trying to figure out specifically what this piece is. I don't know what this is. And it's got a pretty basic like user manual instructions. Some illustrations. So I will I'll get this up and running. And then what I'll do is I'll get down back in the room where I do my painting, and we'll probably paint up the body and the undercarriage of that Mustang. So, quick little unboxing. Hopefully this works out good. Hopefully the reviews were accurate, and I'm looking forward to getting some use out of this. It wasn't an expensive purchase, but I don't have a huge budget to work with, so even if I get a year and a half out of it or something, that's fine with me. I completely destroyed one airbrush right out of the gate due to my using it too quickly and my lack of knowledge. And I incinerated the thing. So, my fault. It was a different manufacturer. But I think that's going to close out this video. We've had a ton of new subscribers. I started doing model cars and coffee. This build here has a couple more videos coming out, and we'll do a model cars and coffee for the reveal / final thoughts. What I like to call my final thoughts in my videos. It's just kind of a little thing that I do. If you would appreciate it if you give the video a like. If you have a comment, if you have any instructions or any familiarity with this airbrush, I'll take any direction anybody wants to offer. I'm always open to that. And or just leave me a general comment. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You all are making this channel a success. And until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe. Everyone be blessed.